If you want to apply to the American Express Gold Card, I will put a link in the description box below. Click that and you will get 75,000 points. So if you know how to redeem points with American Express properly, you can get up to $1,400 worth of free flight with that points right now. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So right now guys, I have my American Express Rose Gold card with me. I applied Saturday night, I think, and I got this right now, Tuesday. We are gonna unbox it. It's not really that fancy compared to the Platinum and the Black Centurion American Express cards because they really come with this really nice packaging. It's really inside the box or like an attache case or something. But yeah, for the gold and rose gold card, it's only like a normal credit card. It's in like an envelope. Well, it's still a good credit card, guys, especially if you're a nurse like me. So here you go, it's American Express envelope. And what I love about the American Express credit cards, they're all made of metal cards. So yup, it's rose gold. If you can see that on the video, it's so nice and it's metal, just like an Apple card. So right now guys, I have 5 credit cards and I canceled one, so I have 4, and it includes Discover, my first ever credit card, Capital One, that I canceled. I have my Apple card, and I have my Wells Fargo card, and this one, my American Express Rose Gold card. And I'll just keep my Discover because it has really great perks, especially with the cashback, and my Apple card, of course, because of the reason that I upgrade my Apple products every year. I will use my American Express for groceries at supermarkets and dining out on restaurants just because it has like a 4 times points, and for traveling because it has 3 times points. And other purchases, I will use my Wells Fargo cash card because it offers 2 times points in all purchases. So with American Express, it only offers 1 times point in all other purchases. So Wells Fargo 2 times points is better than 1 point. So that's, I'm basically just like balancing between Wells Fargo and my American Express. So before I'm even here building my credit score and everything, I started like you guys because I was an immigrant. I didn't have any credit history in the US. So I got denied for like 3 credit card companies when I first applied for those cards. I didn't really realize that it would affect my credit score for like a hard inquiry, but learn from your mistakes. So what I did is I started with the basic. I feel like everyone can get approved this credit card company. It's not a bank or anything. It's just a credit card company like American Express. So it is the Discover Financial. So I started with that and I got approved, and I was so happy because finally I can start building my credit score. But then again, Discover approved me, but they only give me $500 credit limit. But 500 is still like nothing when you live here. And basically I use my credit card in all transactions because credit card offers like a theft protection or like a reimbursement if your card got hacked or something. You don't really get that with debit cards. So that's why every time I go to stores, I just really swipe my credit card and not use my debit card. At first, I was really tempted to get the Platinum, but then again, I read through the benefits and the annual fee is crazy, $695. And it's not really that bad seeing the benefits that they're offering for that card, especially if you're a travel enthusiast like me. But then I realized I'm not really traveling that much because right now I am more focused on saving up money for our house. But for sure in the next 2 years when I will start my career as a travel nurse, I will definitely apply for that American Express Platinum card. It's just the benefits outweighs the $695 annual fee. I checked out their other credit cards, and that's it. I discovered the American Express Gold or Rose Gold card. So let's talk about the American Express Gold card benefits. So there's no really credit limit for this card too. It literally based on how good you're paying your credit cards, your credit history, and it's just a lot of factors, but there's no definite credit limit that they set for this card, which is really good and which can really help me with my credit score because my credit utilization will always be low because there's no limit for that. Another good thing about this card is it's like 4 times points for supermarkets and 4 times points for dining. So me and my husband loves to eat out. We eat out 4 times a week or so just because we both can't cook, and sometimes we're just tired of the food, so we figure out we'll just dine out, and that's really one of the main reasons that I chose the American Express Gold card. And another one is you get $120 credit for Uber or Uber Eats. So it's like $10 a month. It's like a use or lose. So if you don't use your $10 credit in a month, then you lose it. It's not gonna pile up and then for like the next month you have 20. It doesn't work that way. So either you use it or you lose it. But then again, for me, every time I'm gonna be at work, I will for sure order some food, and that's really the best offer that I've seen for credit cards out there. And then other than that, they offer $120 dining credit for Grubhub, Cheesecake Factory, and 3 other more restaurants. It's the same concept as the Uber Eats. It's like a $10 each month, use or lose. And the last but not the least benefits for the American Express Gold card is that they have, for the first year as a member, you will get a 12-month free subscription of the Uber Eats Pass. So that's basically $9.99 a month. Rounded to the nearest, it's $10 a month. So you have 1 year free Uber Eats subscription. So if you total that out, $120 credit for the Uber ride or Uber Eats, $120 dining credit, plus the 12-month free subscription. So basically, you're just paying $10 for the annual fee because the American Express Gold card has a $250 annual fee. So for me, the benefit still outweighs the annual fee plus the 4 times points on supermarkets, 4 times points on dining, 3 times points on travel, and 1 times point on every other purchases. So basically, that's it for the American Express Gold card. And they also have a promotion where they put on their application or website a specific brand or store that you can shop and you get credits back. So a good example is the Tommy Hilfiger brand. So if you spend $75 or more on the website or in store using your American Express Gold card, then you get $25 back. Just check out those brands that participated with the American Express offers. You can check that on their website and or in the app if you download that. So if you're new to the US and you're an immigrant, you don't have any credit history, if you want to build your credit score and you already got your social security number, try Discover. That was my first credit card and they offer the best for a starter credit card. So I will put a link in the description box below. Click that, and if you apply using that link, you will get $100 credit statement if your card arrives and you swipe it and use it. So the first $100 will be free. So it's like a statement credit. You don't need to pay the first $100 of your purchases. So go ahead, guys, click that link and it will really help you. Just be sure to put the right information when applying. It literally just takes 2 minutes, and just make sure you put your social security number correctly. And the annual income, for sure, like most of you doesn't have a job yet. With my situation, I just used my husband's income, to be honest. It didn't really impact me being approved to Discover. So I feel like 95% they will approve you as long as you have a social security number. But then again, that's it. If you want to start building your credit score as early as you get here in the US, then try Discover Financial. Most of the stores in America, online or in store, they accept Discover. So go ahead guys, use that link so you'll get your $100 credit statement. And that's it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to use the links on the description box below. See ya!